What's up, guys? It's your girl True, and today I have another nature walk. Place I particularly don't know, but we're getting there. And okay, let's get there. Before we go, as you know, I'm obsessed with nature, and I love how the naturality of the nature and how it's not tampered with. And for sure, I have a clear obsession with nature. I'm obsessed. I'm in love, and I know I don't care because I'm gonna satisfy it with each and every walk I take and everywhere I go. Today, my destination is quite. Am I gonna say I'm sad or maybe yeah? That's where I'm going. And let's go. Okay, that's where I'm going, and let's go. Okay, so we're starting our journey on our way down the place we're heading, and guess what? I don't have any place I want to stop. I don't have any specific spot I'm on, but out here, guys. So I have all the time and blah. So I'm gonna stop at this specific point. So number one, this is my very first stop. So this. Let's go. Ooh, creepy. can follow this or this. Whichever I can do. You know, left's always lucky. So if you ever follow your left road, other side, you're always gonna be lucky, you know. So we're going to nowhere because I don't have somewhere in particular. I just wanted to see the river and stuff. This is so obvious that this is my second stop. Oh, just look at the location and the stuff and the way, the area looks like. I have no time. I have to go down and do stuff. Bye. See you there. You're wondering why I love nature. Look at how these waters are flowing. Like, wow, I just love it. Just look at the stones and the way the river is branching from the main source to some small river or something. I just love it. You can even just swim or maybe bathe, whatever you want to do, drink the water and whatever. Just love nature. Look at me. Hoo-hoo. Okay, I'm a shudabu, like, oh, love dancing. So what am I thinking? Okay, yes, so we go. We keep dancing, so I have to explore and see what the other side holds. And these amaze me. What I must see next. So, yeah. So the next destination, I actually don't know where I'm really going. This is what we mean when we say tree by the river. Hmm. I kept thinking about my next stop and I looked at the banks where the crows actually loved my eighth spot. I mean, who doesn't love this sarabara in the water and therapy stuff, Like I loved everything I did here. And shell harvesting was my most activity, like it's kind of some activity I loved doing. Just look at the shells, though they were old and stuff and broken, they were just wow. You can't just find shell in the river. It's how, like, it's a magic or maybe a miracle. Okay, something to do with that. I can't really explain. It's nature, and I'm also loving this. So let's keep on looking. Boop. Yes, so there we go. Tired. I'm heading back. Golden hour. I enjoyed the day, and actually I was feeling so kind of alone. Try my nature things. Helps. When I actually feel like I'm down and somehow feeling like something's maybe absurd and inappropriate, this is what I do. Just walk around anywhere, take some videos, maybe for you guys, and I enjoy myself. I enjoy myself with the nature. You know exactly what I mean. So here we go. Let's go home. Thanks for staying all through until the end of my video. I'm happy for you guys. Like the nature and it's magic. That's magic. And I'm thankful for you staying all through. Before you leave, make sure that you hit the subscription box, like, comment, and write whatever you feel like writing. It's for everyone. Enjoy yourself. Thanks. Bye. See you next time.